Hello, good afternoon. Myself Daniel Peter. Today I am bringing you about the video about the electrical chapters, electrical fundamental chapters. Okay, which can be used for engineering, air triple, various examinations. Okay, now we will first study about the AC circuits. First we will study what is DC, direct current, and AC current. AC current means your alternating on sinusoidal form. जो साइनोसोडल फॉर्म में वो AC ग्राफ होता है. DC that is a straight line. DC is more powerful. Okay, so now the circuits used for, what are the components used for the this electrical AC circuits? Inductor is what? It blocks AC and it pass DC. Inductor is a coil. Okay, now capacitor is what? It block DC and pass AC. Okay, inductance is measured in Henry. The SI unit of inductance is Henry. Okay, capacitor is for Farad. Now charge unit is Coulomb. Okay, now reactance, what are type of resistance? That as the current is flowing, we know that current flows, then the resistance is offered by the wire and by the area of cross section, as R is equal to rho L upon A. R is equal to rho L upon A means resistance R and rho, that is the coefficient of resistance. Coefficient means khasiyat, properties of the wire. Coefficient means the properties of the wire, what of the wire is. L is the length and A is the area of cross section. As your resistance is increased, the area of cross section will be reduced. So R is equal to rho L upon A. Now what are the two types of semiconductors, NTC and PTC? Negative temperature coefficient and positive temperature coefficient. In the case of NTC, the temperature rises, the resistance will decrease. But in the case of positive temperature coefficient, it will increase. As temperature will increase, the resistance will increase. But here in the case, this is for NTC, this is for PTC. Okay, NTC case is what happened, your temperature is rising but your resistance is decreasing. Okay, now we will study now Z, impedance. Now what is the reactance? R is the inductive reactance. Inductive reactance means what? The reactance caused by the inductor, resistance caused by the inductor. Capacitive reactance, the capacitive reactance which is caused by the capacitor. Now impedance Z, the impedance is denoted by the Z. Impedance is denoted by the Z. Okay, inductive reactance is also called as impedance, inductive reactance. Okay, impedance is Z. So Z formula is, to find out the Z, that is impedance, total resistance of the circuit, Z is equal to under root of R square plus X square, by using the Pythagoras theorem of a right angle triangle. Okay, where Z is the hypotenuse, R is the right angle and X is your base, that is capacitive reactance. Now this is about the, now what is current lag and lead? What happens in the case of inductive reactance? The the voltage leads by 90 degree. The voltage leads by 90 degree. But in the case of capacitive reactance, the current will lead by 90 degree. Okay, means in the case of inductive reactance, the current will the voltage will lead, and in the case of capacitive reactance, the voltage will lag and current will lead by 90 degree. Okay, now this is all about the AC circuit. Now we are coming about generators. What are the two generators? Generator purpose is to generate the power, generate electricity and produce electricity. So there are various type of generator, DC generator and AC generator. What is the difference between AC generator and DC generator? Whereas a DC generator, what happens, the armature is fixed and magnetic field is revolving. So as the magnetic field cuts, the current is produced as per the Lenn's law. Okay, now in the case of AC generator, what happens, the magnetic field is stationary and the armature and the coil cuts the field and the alternating current is produced. Okay, so in the case of DC generator, it has a fixed ring, that is called as commutators. commutator purpose to supply the electrical external circuit to the conductor. Now in the case of AC generator, it has a slip rings. Okay, now in the case of DC generator, it require higher voltage. AC generator, it require a bit a low voltage.